I'm at the train station heading for London. I'm just going to see the most iconic places in London today. It's going to be a bit of a fun. Yeah, I'm just about to get into the train now. We're now approaching the Arsenal Stadium. Those who love Arsenal will be seeing the stadium in a minute. Those who are Arsenal fans, I'm not talking with anyone. Arsenal fans, Finsbury Park. Favorite stadium. Famous London Bridge station. I need to take off my mask. I just had my booster vaccine. I've just taken my mask so that I can speak properly if I'm in an area where it's too crowded, so I try to wear my mask. Just tell you a bit of a history of London Bridge. You'll be surprised, London Bridge was actually first built by the Romans in 43 AD. It was just a temporary bridge. Then a family, George Rennie and John Rennie, started to construct the bridge, and it was finished by the son when the father died. A tycoon from America bought the bridge, still stands. So that is a bit of a history of London Bridge. I'm just taking you there now. The famous London Bridge. This London Bridge, there's literature, nursery rhymes called London Bridge is burning. Great thing with this place, you can also see Shard, the most tallest attractive building. There it is. This is the famous architectural Shard building. One of the famous bridges as well. It's just popping right in front of me. One of the famous and attractive buildings in the city of London. I'm just approaching Tower Bridge. I just love that artwork of that lady standing on that platform. Wow. So excited heading to the famous Tower Bridge. You can come and see it because the bridge uses hydraulics to be lifted up if a big ship is passing through. Tower Bridge, here we come. So there are very few people in this alley, so I can do without my mask. Let's go and see Tower Bridge. That is the Tower Bridge. Can you see? Wow. The Tower Bridge. This famous bridge actually has hydraulics which lifts the bridge up if you have big boats or a ship passing through. There are certain days you can actually come and see the bridge being moved. London Bridge is the most sophisticated bascule bridge ever completed. The name bascule is derived from French, which means seesaw in English, because it uses hydraulics. I don't know whether they still use hydraulics now, but that is used to move the bridge. As you can see, that is Tower Bridge behind me. Yeah, I'm just too lazy to walk right to the bridge. I might, if I have enough time. It's one of the famous attractions of City of London. This is the famous Tower Bridge. There it is. I'm not going to go at the Tower Bridge because it's too far from here. I can't bother to walk all the way there. But that is the famous Tower Bridge. And there you go. can see, I'm just standing right below Trafalgar Square. This is the famous Trafalgar Square. As you can see, oh yes, I managed to capture it in full. Did I? Yes, I managed to capture it in full. To those who love history, like I do, this is the place, this is Trafalgar Square on 8th of May, 1945. So they had their VE Day celebration. This is where they do other demonstrations as well. You know, like human rights demonstrations, they come and gather around here. Okay, I'll have to swap my camera, then you can see Pride and Prejudice Theatre, which is just close to Trafalgar Square. Pride and Prejudice Theatre, as you can see, it's just next to Trafalgar Square. As I've said before, this is the famous Trafalgar Square where they celebrated VE Day. Now I'm so hungry because I came in the morning and I need to go and find some place to eat. Then continue with my journey. So what I'm doing currently, I'm just checking most iconic places, the city of London. Once I find something to eat, then I'll continue my recording and I'm going places to places until I'm done. Catch you later.